Hello everyone, this is Bala from Technical Learners. Good evening all. Today we are going to see about how crude oil moves today. As we predicted or not like that, we are going to analyze today. And here, see, at the morning we told that if market close below, if market close below 2957, you can go for sell. And if market closes below above 2980, you can go for buy. That is what we told that morning. Likewise, market break down at 2957 and it closed. See, exactly market reached our entire targets. And also we told that here it is a harmonic D point at 29880, and if 2980 breaks means it will surely go up to 3028, which is an another harmonic D point, which is 1.13 ratio. If you see the means, you can able to see here 886 ratio is there, right? After that, if you connect this means you can get 1.13 ratio, which is known as alternate shark, and this is shark pattern. Exactly market respected to this shark pattern, and exactly market falling from here. This is what we predicted today, and exactly we predicted each and every moment, and we exactly cashed everything. See, I'll show you the proof today in our student group, how we gave calls and how we took calls, each and everything I'll show you today. Now at first we gained 42 points, and next trade we gained 46 points. See here, we sold at 2966. Why we sold at 2966? Because 2966 is the exact resistance of us. Once 2966 breaks and closed, we entered at exactly 2966 at resistance. And see, after that 2925 I booked. Why I booked at 2925 means here it is the 0.618 retracement of this. So that's why I booked at 2925. Exactly after our booking, market exactly went high up to the D point, and also we predicted from here market is going to fall. At the exact high itself, we predicted that from there market is going to fall. At first trade we booked 42 points, and after that, see, we predicted earlier itself that fall. I'll show you. See, we predicted exactly at 2983 market is going to fall up to this trend line. Like that, we predicted in the earlier stage itself. After that, see the result here. After that, exactly market reacted to which we drawn. Exactly market fall. This is what we drawn. Exactly, see, at this place we updated the chart. After that, see, not even a single point move above the what we predicted. Not even a single point move above us. Exactly from the C point, market continuously falling. Also, we traded this, and also we booked 46 points profit. See, I told them sold at 56, waiting for the ultimate target. See, that is what I did. 2956 I sold there at 2956 at this place exactly. I think at this place, because it is the days starting. Once it is breaks means we can go for sell. Like that we chose today. Also there is a resistance. After resistance engulfing candlestick also found. For that confirmation we sold at 2956 and exactly booked at this resistance 2906. See, exactly booked at 2909. Exactly booked at the resistance. We sold at 2956 and we booked at 2907. In the morning 42 points gained, and at the evening 47 points gained, and live totally 89 points. And after that live trading session went at 18.6. We went for a live trading session. At the live trading session we gave call of sell at 2930, and our target is this 2885. Why 2855? 2855 means which is the extension of 0.618 retracement, which is the extension of 0.618 retracement. Extension of 0.618 retracement is 2885. So we booked at Exactly, we took at 2930 and we booked at 2885. This is what we did at live trade. This is how we are trading each and every moment of crude oil daily. Today, totally 120 plus points we gained in crude oil, and also I showed you each and everything as a proof. And if you know the pulse of crude oil with the help of technicals, surely you are also going to rock the crude oil like anything. Once you know technicals for that, that is what we are teaching here. We are teaching all the technicals and how to trade crude oil or silver or gold, anything, how to trade it, and how to predict the each and every movement in crude oil, and all the MCX scripts and NSE scripts. Even forex also we are guiding in bank nifty and nifty index market also. In every market we are guiding how to trade and how to predict each and every moment. See, in the morning itself we told, we predicted this moment also, exactly booked at this point, because we know that market is going to go new high. And also we predicted this movement also, and we totally predicted this fall from the top itself. And we also made not only prediction, we also made trade here. From here to here totally we made we took trade up to, we booked at up to this, and also next after retracement we took trade here, and also we took good profits. We exited here. After our exit, market went sideways like this. This is what we did today in crude oil. If you guys want to do like us and earn like us, do join with us and to trade, do trade with us as a team. We can earn together. Thank you guys. We'll see with a nice video tomorrow. Thank you.